Oh, hey, what you got there?
I got a drone.
What are you gonna do with a drone?
I'm gonna show my viewers some cool videos of the area and with the new carbureted truck while you're over there messing with EFI all the time.
But you have a drone. I thought old school.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta mix old school with new school, so we'll see how this goes for my viewers.
Viewers? You don't have any viewers.
Well, I don't have viewers yet, but I will eventually. You know what? Never mind. What are you doing?
I'm looking at my new 10-point cage and snow badger.
So some of the things that Josh did to help out is he welded in the door bar down into the sill on both sides of the car. And also what he did is he tied everything together. So everything is fully welded all the way around. There are no gussets besides the middle here. The rear hatch and the front glass both came off, so they were able to get a good seal around everything. Also, the bar in the back, or the harness bar, is a straight bar going all the way across. So then we don't have to worry about doing any of the harness mounts on it because the bar is not curved. Also, if you see how the bar is, it comes down to the main hoop that comes all the way down to the floor, and the door bars, the D-bars, the main hoop, and a harness bar all come down to a single point, which is great because that is going to anchor everything together and bring it all together. Also, if you see right in front of where all the bars come down, there's a plate that's threaded. What Josh did is he welded in that plate for the 5-point harness to go into, which is fantastic because now it's even more secure and the harnesses are going to go in the right spot because we also have the harness attachment that's on the floor for the crotch harness that comes up to make it a 5-point harness. Also, on the back, what Josh did around the rear struts in the back is he reinforced it. So normally in a Fox body, it's a lighter gauge. They don't have to worry about the side force or up and down load of the car. But since Josh welded the back bar straight down to the top of the struts, he did a 10 gauge metal that he bent all the way around it, welded that all the way around, and then welded those bars to that plate. So not only is the rear stiffened up from the roll cage, but now it's tied in to the rear shocks. So now everything is anchored to where it's supposed to be. Everything is tied together, and he made the system as close as he could to the roof as well. Not bad, kid. Looks like Josh really knows the stuff.
Yes, he sure does. Because this cage is definitely going to keep me safe.
Are you going to do a cinematic video like you always do?
Yes, I am.
Company, always on the run. Destiny is a rising sun. Oh, I was born, 6-gun in my hand. Behind a gun, I make my final stand. Hey, that's why they call me bad company, and I can't deny bad company. rebel souls, deserters we are called. Chose a gun and threw away the sword. Now these towns, they all know our name. Six gun sound is our claim to fame. I can hear them say, bad company, and I won't deny. Bad company, till the day I die. Yeah, till the day I die.
Not bad, kid. Not bad at all. That was actually pretty damn good.
Thank you. I thought so too. Are we going to see anything with that drone?
As a matter of fact, you will. Let's go ahead and check it out.
I'm gonna drive a car way across the border. But she's the only one. She keep her mind in order. I'm not a bad man, but I know where I stand. If I have your love, got to have your love in my hand. Yeah, I'm coming for it, baby. It takes a good man, yeah, to know a good woman. I ain't so much a good man as a woman needs loving. I'm a driving down the highway, getting closer to your love. I'm going pretty fast now, but it ain't fast enough. Listen. Wildfire shooting through my veins, burn the fever through my brain. Wildfire, woman, something you got. I start to shiver when you do that, baby. It takes a good man to know a good woman. I ain't so much a good man as a woman needs loving. So I'm a burning up the freeway, ain't nothing in sight. You know it takes a lot of loving to keep me driving all night. Hey. Wildfire shooting through my veins, burn the fever through my brain. Wildfire, woman, something you got. I start to shiver when you do that, baby. Wildfire shooting through my veins, burn the fever through my brain. Wildfire, woman, something you got. I start to shiver.
What'd you think of my video?
Not bad for your first time. I think you're onto something.
Thanks, I think so as well. But I'll see you later. I'm getting tired. I'm gonna go take a nap.